Leviticus order, responsibility, and AWRANSS, living with intention in what we do, what we consume, and how we carry ourselves. WHEN, life needs STRECTU. After each EH or after, teaching about sacrifice and restoration, Leviticus moves deeper. It begins to shape daily life, not just what people believe, but how they act, eat, lead, and recover. Because a healthy life is not built only on big decisions. It is shaped by daily discipline. The beginning of the priesthood Responsability, within the SACRED, Aaron and his sons were appointed as priests. Their role was not about power. It was about responsibility. They stood between the people and God, representing order, guidance, and accountability. This teaches something important. Spiritual leadership is not about status. It is about responsibility. Meaning today, whether leading a family, a business, or a community, influence requires integrity. The higher the responsibility, the greater the need for discipline. The death of Nadab and Abihu and boundaries are Igiano read Aaron's sons. Nadab and Abihu offered strange fire. Something unauthorized. Something careless. And the result was immediate. This moment feels intense, but it carries a clear message. Not everything sacred can be treated casually. They approached responsibility without respect, meaning today. In modern life, this can be seen when people take important roles lightly, act without preparation, treat serious responsibilities as optional. The lesson is not fear, it is awareness. There are areas in life, leadership, trust, influence, that require seriousness. The prohibition of wine for priests, clarity of Miandi after this event. A command was given. Priests should not serve while under the influence of wine or strong drink. Why? Because they needed clarity. They were responsible for decisions, judgment, and guidance. Meaning today, this principle goes beyond alcohol. It speaks about clarity and responsibility. Anything that clouds judgment, whether substances, emotions, or distractions, can lead to poor decisions. When responsibility is high, clarity must be higher. Clean and unclean animals essent. In what we see ONSUM Leviticus defines which animals were clean and unclean. At first, this may seem purely dietary. But it also reflects a deeper principle, discernment. Not everything is beneficial. Not everything should be consumed. Meaning today, this applies far beyond food. We consume many things daily. Information, media, conversations, influences. Just as the body needs healthy food, the mind needs healthy input. Discernment protects both. Purification after birth, anoring process, and arise OVRY after childbirth. There was a period of purification. This was not punishment. It was recognition. Recognition that life transitions require time. Meaning today, modern life often pushes people to move too quickly. But healing physical, emotional, or mental requires space. This principle reminds us, restoration is part of the process, not a delay of it. Leprosy and other conditions scare, isolation, and RESPO, isolite, while Leviticus gives detailed instructions about skin diseases, including leprosy. People were examined, sometimes isolated, sometimes restored. This may seem strict, but it reflects something practical, protecting the community while caring for the individual. Meaning today, we see similar principles in modern health. Awareness, prevention, responsibility toward others. Ed also teaches something emotional. Sometimes people go through seasons of separation. Not because they are rejected, but because healing is needed. The cleansing of leprosy restoration is POSSIBLE. When a person was healed, there was a process of reintegration. They were not permanently excluded, they were restored. This is important. Meaning today, people are not defined forever by their worst season. Mistakes, illness, struggles, there can be return. There can be renewal. Restoration is always part of the story.
Thank you for being part of this journey. If this message strengthened your heart, subscribe to Sacred Voices of Faith, where your faith is heard and your hope is renewed. Share this message with someone who needs encouragement today. Thank you for sharing.